Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 31. What is the theme of the official Government of India calendar for 2023? Options: Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, Naya Varsh Naye Sankalp, Vikas aur Viswas, New Hopes of India. The official calendar for the year 2023 has a collection of 12 images that depict the country's dynamic growth. It includes 12 themes for 12 months to showcase the various efforts taken by the Indian government to ensure the welfare of the people. Overall, this calendar reflects the Indian government's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas. It is created based on the theme Naya Varsh Naye Sankalp. This theme depicts various initiatives and policies the Indian government formulated as per the Vision Initiative. So the right answer for this question is the theme of the calendar for 2023 is Naya Varsh Naye Sankalp. And here is another question for you. What is the name of the digital project funded by Google to map the language diversity of India? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel, Learn with Komali, and do not forget to check out my community post.